Kids, how are you all? I am Nancy ma'am, and today we are going to learn about little ones, that is animals and their young ones. Little ones means just like you babies. Kids, in the earlier sessions we have already seen different types of animals and their young ones. Today we will be learning the spellings and also learn how to write the same. So kids, let's start. Animals and their babies. Sheep. Young one of sheep is called lamb. Sheep के बेबी को कहते हैं lamb. SHEEP. Sheep. LAMB. Lamb. Cat. Young one of cat is called kitten. Cat के बेबी को कहते हैं kitten. CAT. Cat. KITTEN. Kitten. Next. Horse. Young one of horse is called foal. Horse के बेबी को कहते हैं foal. HORSE. Horse. FOAL. Foal. This is a duck. Young one of duck is called duckling. Duck के बेबी को कहते हैं duckling. DUCK. Duck. DUCKLING. Duckling. Elephant. Young one of the elephant is called calf. Elephant के बेबी को कहते हैं calf. ELEPHANT. Elephant. CALF. Calf. Lion. Young one of lion is called cub. Lion के बेबी को कहते हैं cub. LION. Lion. CUB. Cub. Goat. Young one of goat is called kid. Goat के बेबी को कहते हैं kid. GOAT. Goat. KID. Kid. Next. Dog. Young one of dog is called pup. Dog के बेबी को कहते हैं pup. DOG. Dog. PUP. Pup. Now kids, let's write them. So, take a well-sharpened pencil and a scale. Let's start with today's date. That is 2/5/25. Dot 11/11/20. That is 25th November 2020. Now take a scale, place it in the middle and draw a straight line till the end of the page. Now on the red line we'll write the heading, capital A N I M A L S. Animals. And here young ones. Y capital O U N G. Young. One finger space. Again O capital N E S. Animals and young ones. We will be writing 8 names, so we shall number them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. without leaving a line. Let's start with the first animal name. Sheep. S capital, small h, E, E again, P. Sheep. Next. Cat. C capital, small a, T. Cat. Next. Horse. H capital, small o, R, S, E. Horse. Next. D capital, small u, C, K. Duck. Next. Elephant. E capital, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. Next. Capital, small I, O, N. Lion. Next. G capital, O, A, T. Goat. Next. D capital, O, G. Dog. Now let's write the young ones. Young one of sheep is lamb. So L capital, small a, M, B. Lamb. Next, young one of cat is called kitten. K capital, I, T, T, E, N. Kitten. One of horse is called foal. F capital, O, A, L. Foal. Young one of duck is D capital, small U, C, K, L, I, N, G. Duckling. Next is elephant. Young one of elephant, calf. C capital, A, L, F. Calf. Next, lion. Cub. C capital, small U, B. Cub. Young one of goat is kid. K capital, small I, D. Kid. And the last one is dog. Young one of dog is pup. P capital, U, P. Pup. Now kids, let's repeat them once again. S, H, E, E, P. Sheep. Young one of sheep, lamb. L, A, M, B. Lamb. Next. C, A, T. Cat. Young one of cat, K, I, T, T, kitten. Horse, HORSE, horse. FOAL, foal. Next, DUCK, duck. DUCKLING, duckling. Next, ELEPHANT, elephant. CALF, calf. Next, LION, lion. Young one, CUB, cub. Next, GOAT, goat. KID, kid. And the last one is DOG, dog. Young one of dog, pup. PUP, pup. Do revise all these 8 animals' names with their young ones and also learn the spellings by heart. Now, let's do a worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to look at the pictures and trace the path to help the animals to reach their young ones. बच्चों, इस वर्कशीट में आपको इन एनिमल्स को अपने बेबीज तक पहुंचाना है. Children, do revise the names of the animals and their young ones with spellings that we have learned today. I shall see you in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.